Welcome back. Today, we're syncing Outlook with Calendly through Integrately. This makes sure your events and bookings stay in perfect sync without any manual work. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Calendly as your first app. Then search for and choose Microsoft Outlook as your second. You'll also find the direct Integrately link for this automation in the description below. From the list of available one-click automations, find Send Microsoft Outlook Email for new Calendly invitee and click Activate. First, you'll need to connect your Calendly account. And then connect your Microsoft Outlook account to authorize the integration. Once connected, choose the specific event type that will trigger this automation. In the Automation Builder, you'll need to map the required fields. For this example, map the To Recipients field using the invitee's email from your Calendly data, and personalize the subject or message as needed. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You'll see a confirmation that your workflow is now live. And don't forget, the Integrately link is in the description so you can try it instantly. That's it. Outlook to Calendly connected in just a few clicks with Integrately. Hit like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to get started.